Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to download some extensions for your Google Chrome account that will be helpful this year while we do online learning. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to show you the extensions that you're going to get. This first one is called Nod, and that will be a thumbs up. And during Google Meets meetings, you can click icons and interact without interrupting the teacher. The other one I wanted to show you was the Dualless, and this allows you to split the screen. So I'm going to click on this. I'm deciding I want this page to be over on the right. And there you go. Okay. Let me show you how you get these. You're going to go to your web search bar or even your Google search bar down here, and you're going to type in the words Google extensions. I'm going to choose this very first one called Chrome Web Store Extensions Google Chrome. I'm going to click on it to open, and it should take you to this page with you signed in to your APS account. Make sure that this extensions word is blue. It's also the puzzle piece right here. In this search the store bar, you're going to type in Nod, N-O-D, enter. The very first one that comes up, this Nod reactions for Google Meets, with this little girl waving to this person in a bubble, that's the one you're going to add. Since mine is already added, I don't have the button right here to click, so I'm just going to point out it should be this button, Add to Chrome, that comes up for you next to your Nod extension. The next one I'm going to look up is called Dual, D-U-A-L, Less, L-E-S-S. And it's just one word. Press enter, and you will choose this very first one. Again, Add to Chrome button should appear where mine says rated. And that's it.